Welcome to PAI Manufacturing. My name is Naveed Yavari. I am the Vice President of PAI. PAI has been manufacturing in the United States since 1973.
At this time, we're looking at our piston robotic cell. Hello, my name is Erwin Norris. I am one of the plant managers here at PAI Manufacturing. It allows us to have a lot more flexibility on how we run our parts because we get in standard families of blanks and then we're able to machine them over the realm of different compression ratios that are within that family. What will happen is the parts will come in, we will run them through the machine and basically do all the valve pockets and bowls to bring that configuration for the different compression ratios. This is where the process begins. This is the feed conveyor for the cell. What will happen is the operator will take this and they will load them up into the cell here. We can either run different parts on different machines or we can run the same part on both machines depending on our volumes and our needs at the time. First thing it's going to do is it's actually going to hang it on these things right here and the platforms are going to come up. What that does is that allows the grippers to precisionally grab where it is on the spindle because the next operation is it's going to come over and it's going to lay it down on top of this mandrel. Once it goes on the mandrel, the setter will come over, tighten up the mandrel, and then the piston can be picked up. What that allows us to do is we have the mandrel in there. We picked it up at a precision height so that we can put it back into the machine so that we make sure we put it correctly into the jaws so the height will be correct for all the valve pockets to be cut. It'll locate off of that mandrel that goes on that across that inside there so that, like I said, controls your height, and then clamp on the outside and then the doors will close and it'll start machining. As you can see over here, while this one's waiting to be loaded, the other one is already still being machined over here. Once that one stops, the robot will go over, grab that part, take it over to the same cell, take the part off the mandrel, and then put it onto the feed.